Hey guys, we are out having a beautiful rain walk. The advantage of when it rains is that the garden and the parks are all empty. Look how beautiful and empty this is. So instead of spending Sunday at home watching YouTube, we thought let's come out and enjoy the day. All the tennis courts are empty. So today wanted to talk about a very important issue that the parents of New Jersey are facing. I don't know how it is in other states, but New Jersey parents are going to be facing this big issue when the schools start in early September. We are going to have a big choice to make. One is to decide whether we send us kids to school on like a hybrid model where some days they work and school from home, and a couple of days or 3 days a week they go to the school. That is one option. And the second option is full online, where we just keep them at home and don't send them to school. That is a dilemma, and we have to decide one of the two before September first week. So we've been discussing every day, and I thought let me also ask my subscribers what they think. I know some of you are parents out there. Do you want your kids to go to school or do everything online? Is it safe to go to school? I was just telling Karishma and Ivanka that this is the first rain walk that I've done this year, and we are already in August end. So the rains are, you know, very common here in July, August, and that's where the summer and the rains clash. So people kind of hate it when it rains on a weekend like today, Sunday, because if the sun was out they would have all been at the beach. But now they're probably at home watching Netflix. Hello.
Hi. Keep going, keep going.
The umbrella that Karishma is carrying, this one, it's a huge umbrella that I bought 11 years ago in Louisville, Kentucky. And I remember that time I paid $30 for this umbrella, and I was like shocked. I paid $30 for an umbrella, but the quality was so great that it's lasted us 11 years. So it was totally worth that 30 bucks. You know, I had just come from India to the US. I needed an umbrella, so I went and bought one, a big one, and I converted $30 into rupees. I was shocked, but now in hindsight it was the best decision. So while we were walking in the rain, I felt like talking about umbrellas too. Okay, let's ask Karishma's opinion on the whole school thing, because she has the same dilemma that all parents have of New Jersey. Karishma,
Yes. Yeah, that it is a dilemma because there are pros and cons to both. So I think if you asked us maybe a few weeks ago, we were kind of hinging more towards the blended approach where
Hybrid.
the kids go,
Yeah.
where the kids go in a couple of days in the week, and then it's online instruction for the rest of the week. But I mean, looking at what's happening as states are reopening and the schools are reopening, especially in the southern states, it's not very confidence
Yeah.
boosting in my opinion. So I'm personally, I think, leaning more towards online instruction, at least for the first couple of months to see, and then if at least in New Jersey the situation continues to improve, then maybe we then flip over to the blended approach.
Yeah. So my son has been talking to his friends about the options, and all of them are doing the first quarter remotely from their home or wherever online. Let's see what Ivanka thinks. What do you want to do?
Stay home.
Stay home? Homeschool? Okay, I think I knew what answer she's going to give. Ivanka just wants to stay home.
Home
Right?
home.
So some of the kids are going to enjoy it. No getting up early, chilling in their pajamas all day, especially in winter. Going to school is a pain, you know, with snow and the cold. Wearing jackets to school at 7 in the morning. I think they're very happy to be home. Alright, the rain has gone. It's just small droplets, so the umbrella's folded. That's a great thing. And yeah, school dilemma 1.0. My biggest worry is the virus coming back in a big way in fall or winter. So there's a lot of speculation that in the winter weather the virus will be back. I just hope not, because then all this school talk is irrelevant, because we just will be doing school homeschool, you know. So let's see how it goes. I didn't want to include this boring topic on my channel, but it is real. It is a real topic. We need to talk about these things. Obviously, we are parents with kids, and this is part of our day-to-day decisions as parents. A lot of you would be in the same boat, my young subscribers, either in school or college, going through the same emotions. What are you guys doing? Please let me know in the comments. What have you and your parents decided, whether you will do homeschool or a hybrid model where you do couple of days at school, 3 days at home, something like that. Let me know in the comments what you think, also what your suggestions are. But remember, safety first. We are not going to risk the safety of our kids. School comes secondary, health and safety is first. Guys, check out the dark clouds coming about. Shooting on my GoPro with the Video Micro by Rode, the mic. But I took out the wind muff because it covers the screen, so I hope the sound is clear. So we did a nice 30-35 minute walk, and now Ivanka said let's get back in the car. Just a few cars here today, and free car wash, because when it rains the car gets a nice wash. You don't have to wash it after that. Yeah, so we could have done a video at home, but we decided let's come out, walk around and take a video also. Karishma's exploring. I don't know what she's looking for. sharing some more information about hybrid. Karishma will give you some details for those who are interested what we are doing in the US as far as hybrid learning. That's what they've defined it as. It's basically online but with a flavor of school as well.
Yeah, so I think so the way that we've been told how it's going to work is that all the students, they have been divided into 3 groups or cohorts based on their last name. So and then that's how their scheduling will kind of work through, where for example in the intermediate school where Ivanka goes, they've kind of divided them into 2 groups, and one group will say go from in-person schooling from Monday, Tuesday, and then the second group will go say Wednesday, Thursday, and then everybody is on online instruction on Friday. So again, the principle behind all of this is really making sure that the density in the schools are obviously halved or a third of what the usual density is, and that really helps to put in place all the social distancing measures, whether it be in terms of in the classroom, in the common areas, whether it be the cafeteria, the gymnasiums, etc. And again, in all of this, the health and safety of definitely the kids, the students, and the teachers, and all the staff members that really make the school ecosystem work is paramount. So again, like we were talking about earlier, like logically the way that they're approaching it makes complete sense, but then it just takes that one instance, that one outbreak for this to spread like wildfire, as we've all seen.
Alright guys, winding down the Sunday video, we're going to relax. We're just buying some lunch from the grocery store here. Karishma's gone to buy it and I'm in the car with Ivanka. So thank you for joining. Like I said, please comment and let me know your thoughts about the school system. It's a global issue. It has nothing only to do with New Jersey, but I shared what the New Jersey issues are, and so did Karishma. So please like, share, subscribe. We want to know what you think about this. Even if you don't have kids, please let us know. Thank you for joining the video guys. Take care. Have a lovely week ahead. Cheers. Bye.